unboxing Jazza's mega art box.
Arts Workfly.
Okay guys, so I got this box on March 3rd and it's now May 12th, and I was waiting for a time where I could come on camera and show you guys what I got in Jazza's mega art box. I think that's the name of it, but I don't remember right now and my internet is down. So we are going to find out today. Alright, so let's jump into it. By the way, my audio is giving a bit of problem, so sorry about the audio from now. Okay, let's jump into it. It's heavy. And I will be making some artworks with these products here. Can't believe I'm finally opening this box. I've been waiting for it from November or December for it to come, and then it was late. I got it March 3rd, and now when I got it, I just put it down, saying that I was going to come on camera and record it for you guys. And now it's May 12th, and I just got the chance to open it on camera for you guys. When you're working 9 to 5, I can't believe I have it right here, right now. Jazza's art box. Look at this, guys. Fine, fine. Alright, do the inky one first. I think the inky one is the one that I really want, but each box has something that I really wanted. So that is why I got all three of them. So this is the inky one. Inky, inky, inky. Let me just bring you guys down a bit, down. Alright, guide Jazza's incredible inky box, and I think he have his autograph somewhere in one of these boxes, if I'm not wrong. So this is the guide. So he's showing, what is this? These are basically telling you what each item is and what you can do with it. Okay. Alright. This video is going to be long, but I will cut it short or split it up. My light is getting dim. By the way, guys, I'm using my new laptop. For those who did not watch my last video, I'm using my new laptop, Jazza. So basically the light is shutting down and I have to touch the screen for it to not die. My battery is going dead, so I'm going to charge my laptop also. So that is it in this guide here. Yeah, so you guys will see this again probably in another video when I'm going to make some artworks and following the steps here, etc. So you guys will see this book again. So let me pause again to get my laptop charger. Now don't mind this thing here. It's all my artworks I'm trying to hide to not make the place look a mess. And still, after waiting so long, I'm still not prepared in opening this box. Okay, I've been wanting what you call it now, a sketch pad, but I've been wanting like the real sketch pad, not the cheap sketch pads, not the cheap sketch pads that you see sold in Chinaman's store. And them something there. If you're in Jamaica, you know what I'm talking about. If you're not in Jamaica, basically in Jamaica, Chinese companies, stores, sell cheap things, and that is where I usually get my art products, cheap areas. So to know that I have a quality drawing book like this is basically something for me. Basically gets me excited. It gets me excited to have a quality sketch pad, art book, notebook, whatever you want to call it. Oh my god, the pages are marvelous. Marvelous. Alright, so this is the brush. This is, oh, this is to use the pen, the calligraphy pen. Fabriano. You guys know Fabriano? You know what it's in another Why? What is this? Oh, watercolor paper. Tips, no? Right? Big paper. Alright, I don't remember what is this, but as I said, I'm going to do some videos showing you what I use these products to do. And these are the inks. Open. So these are basically the inks. No, not the inks. What are these again? I don't remember what this is. I still remember you guys about the portrait drawings. I still want to do the portrait drawings for you guys. I haven't forget. I will never forget. Alright, so for those who subscribed and so on, and what do you call it, my Instagram, I am going to go over the giveaway again, so don't mind that. I will do it again for you guys. I am going to do that giveaway, that portrait drawing giveaway. This is kind of suede. Guys, I always wanted one of these. Always, always, always wanted one of these. And now I got it. That is for the first box. So this is the sculpture one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.